Understand the consequences of storing all the data in a single table. Let's take an example. Imagine you are selling t-shirts online. Also, assume that you are storing the data on transactions in a single table that looks like this. We are storing each unique transaction by giving it an individual ID. We are also storing the type of the shirt, its description, price, and the transaction time in their respective columns. Now let's look at this table once there are some transactions whose data has been stored in it. This is how the data for some of the transactions will look. Once more transactions are done, this is how the data will look. Now, if you look at this table carefully, you will notice that there is data redundancy if we store data in this way. Let's look at what this data redundancy is. You can see that there are rows in our data that are being duplicated. Look at rows 1, 2, 6, and 7. Since the type of the shirt is the same, which is A, their description and price will also not change. You can see the downside of storing all the data in a single table. There will be data duplication. Is there a way to solve this problem? One solution is not to store all the data in a single table. In the current scenario, we can create two tables. One table contains only the information about transaction ID and transaction time. The other table has the shirt type, description, and price. So, we will split the data into two tables instead of one, as shown here. Now you can see the number of columns in the transactions table has reduced, and we can also eliminate the duplicate rows from the data. Now the bigger question is how we work with these two tables. We will answer this question in the following video.